Hey friends, do you wish to know the location of the startup folder on your computer? If yes, then please watch this video. I will show you. If you want a very easy method to locate the startup folder, then simply press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command shell startup. I'll repeat it, shell startup, and hit enter. And this will open the startup folder for you. Now, this is one method. The second method is to actually manually approach its location. How would you do that? Go to this PC, go to C drive or your system drive, usually it's C drive, and then go to users. And I'll also make sure that hidden files are showing. Now go to your username, go to app data, which is usually a hidden folder, but now nothing is hidden. Roaming, Microsoft, Windows, and then start menu. Then we go to programs and then to startup. Okay, this is the startup folder. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.